after she tried it. This is the Buttonless Mug Cozy by Jasmine Hodges or Loveleighlady on Instagram. As always, this video will have 4 sections with timestamps linked below. So let's get started. To be totally honest, I made this because I needed a bit of a break. I just got done testing a knit sweater, that video will be coming very soon, and I am so excited how that sweater came out and I can't wait to show you. But my body just needed to rest. I wanted to make something quick and useful. This buttonless mug cozy totally fulfilled that need. This is one thing that I didn't realize I needed until I made it, and I found it in one of the most unique ways. So I'm currently working on starting a new series where I want to highlight a few Black makers. I was trying to come up with a list of people that I follow and admire on Instagram. Jasmine was at the top of the list. First, I absolutely love her locks, and I love how she occasionally has her daughter model her makes. And I've always loved her tests that she posts. I decided that I would highlight makers that didn't have a pattern that I could try, but if they did, I would just buy the pattern and support them like I do everyone else. I didn't think Jasmine was a designer, but I decided to click on the link in her Instagram bio, and to my surprise, I stumbled on this brilliant pattern. I will of course link the pattern in the description box below. Definitely take time to read the actual blog post before the pattern. I think she was really insightful. She gives reasons why she was a bit hesitant to release a free pattern, but decided to go ahead and do it. If you are a viewer who can't crochet but admires crochet pieces, I would definitely give Jasmine's Etsy shop a peek. She has a ton of handmade crochet pieces for sale, and they are very reasonably priced. So like I said, I didn't even know Jasmine was a designer, which is a shame because this design is so cool. I have seen quite a few mug cozies in my day and none of them were this innovative. Another thing to mention is that this pattern is free and totally for a beginner. Each step gives details about what you're doing and why you're doing it. She also doesn't include gauge because it's a mug cozy and it doesn't matter. I have a feeling Jasmine doesn't totally see herself as a designer, and I get that. I'm kind of the same way. But if you are in need of a quick project, this is it. I completed this whole thing in a little over an hour. Also, keep in mind, my mug isn't really a mug, so it could take you less time. I think this cozy would also make the perfect gift. You could get a cheap mug, fill it with teas or hot cocoa mix, slap on this cozy, and you have a gorgeous gift for any occasion. Yarns for this project that were just hanging around in my stash from past makes. I will be sure to link them all below. The main yarn I used is the Lionbrand Fisherman's Wool in Birch Tweed. You might recognize this yarn from those amazing socks I made from Summer Lee Design. I actually have a whole unused skein of this stuff and I will most likely be adding it on my Mercari shop very soon. This rust color is Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn in the color Terracotta. This was left over from the yarn I used on the crochet test for Holly Woodward design. And the black yarn is from Michaels. It's Joy DK yarn in the color Ink. I used this yarn on the socks as well, but I first got this yarn to crochet test for Crafty Med when I made the Slook Super Scarf. Needless to say, this project is definitely a stash buster. If you have a few coordinating colors in your stash that you don't know what to do with, I highly suggest whipping up this cozy. That's all I have for you today. This is a quick video to match with this quick and free pattern. Don't forget to check the description box below for all the things I mentioned in this video. And if you follow Loveleighlady on Instagram, let me know if you knew she had a pattern or if you're just as shocked as me. See you in my next video. Bye.